Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 9th Maths NCERT Chapter 2 Polynomials. Today we are going to study from exercise 2.2 question 2. Find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. We have the polynomials here. We have to find if we put in the place of variables whatever value is given, what value we are getting. Now, this I have explained to you how to find the value of polynomial. In that video, I have explained to you. Please go through that. Nothing here. What we have to do is, wherever y is there or wherever the variable is there, first we will put 0 there and get the value. And afterwards, in the place of y, we will put 1 and get the value. And then in the place of y, we will put 2 and get the value. That's it we have to do for all the sums. So let's see one by one. First, we have to put 0, P of 0. See, first we will do P of 0. So wherever y is there, we have to put 0. So in the place of y, we put 0, rest we write as it is. So 0 square will be 0 minus 0 plus 1. So we get plus 1. So this is our answer for P of 0. Now we have to find out for P of 1. So in the place of y, we will put now 1. So 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 square will be 1 minus 1 and plus 1. The minus 1 and plus 1 will get cut. So then we have 1. So this is the value for P of 1. Now for P of 2 we will find out. So wherever y is there, we have to put 2 now. So 2 square minus 2 then plus 1. So 2 2s are 4 minus 2 plus 1. Now from this is plus 4 and this is plus 1. So total plus 4 and plus 1 will be 5 then minus 2. So 5 minus 2 will be 3. So that's it for this question 1. So same way we have to do for question 2 also. Wherever t is there, we will put the value 0. First we will put 0, get the value. Then put 1 and get the value. And then put 2 and get the value. So let's do it for 0 first. So wherever we have t, we have to put 0. So 2 plus 0 plus, now 0 square will be 0 only. With 0 when you multiply 2, you will get again 0. Or for your sake, I'll just write down 2 into 0 square is 0. Now 0 cube also will be 0. Now all the zeros let it go. Now 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 will become 0. Any number when you multiply with 0, it will become 0. So now what we have left with? We have left with 2. So that is for P of 0. Now let's find out for P of 1. So in the place of t now we have to put 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 2, 1 square minus 1 cube. So now 2 plus 1 plus 1 square will be 1 only. So 2 into 1 square will be 1. Minus 1 cube also will be 1. So 2 plus 1, 3, or I'll write down for your sake one more step. 2 into 1 is 2, then minus 1. Now 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1. Then we get 4 as the answer for P of 1. Now we have to do for P of 2. So wherever t is there, we have to put 2 now. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 square plus 2 cube. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus 2 cube will be 8. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 4, 8 plus 8. So what we will get? Oh, somewhere made a mistake, sorry. Here it is minus, but we have made a mistake by putting plus. This is minus actually. So this becomes minus. So that means this will be minus. So now minus 8 and plus 8 gets cancelled. So then we will have 4. So now let's see quickly the third one. Here also same way we have to put all this, first P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. So let's put P of 0. So in the place of x, 0 cube. So we will get 0. Then for P of 1, so in the place of x we will put 1 cube. So 1 cube will be 1. And for P of 2, in the place of x we will put 2 and cube. So what is the meaning this? 3 times 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8. So this is the answer for this third question. Now let's see the fourth one. Here also we have to first find out for P of 0 first. So wherever x is there we will put 0, minus 1, 0, plus 1. So now 0 minus 1 we will get minus 1 and 0 plus 1 will be 1. 0 minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1. By the way, this is a multiplication sign. So let's not forget that. So multiplication sign. So let us keep this bracket. Otherwise we have a lot of tendency to make mistake in this chapter because of just plus and minus sign. We will make a lot of mistakes. So let's be careful. So we solve it in bracket itself. So minus 1 and we keep the bracket. Here also we keep the bracket. This is plus 1. So now when minus 1 is multiplied with plus 1, we will get minus 1. This is the answer. Now let's see for P of 1. So P of 1, so in the place of x we will keep 1, then minus 1. 1, then plus 1. So let's keep the bracket. Plus 1 and minus 1 will become 0 because this is plus and this is minus, so we'll get cancel, it becomes 0. And plus 1 and plus 1 and plus 1 will be 2. So now this is 0 multiplied by 2 because when inside the bracket the meaning is multiplication. So when you multiply 0 with any number we will get 0. So that is the answer. Now let's see for the P of 2. So for P of 2, so inside x, in the place of x we will keep 2 minus 1, then 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1 and 2 plus 1 will be 3. So the meaning is 1 into 3, 3. So this is our answer. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.